Sen area. That means Yanaka, Sendagi and Nezu. It's also called Shitamachi and it's a very different place in Tokyo, very local and with old atmosphere. So let's go and discover this place. This is Yanaka Ginza and there are many local shops and many local people, so it must be really interesting. Yanaka is also called City of the Cats because it is said there are many cats, but I never saw. So I saw the one in the shop, like this shop. They make stamp with cats, cat t-shirts, souvenir cat shops. Interesting. Ah, they have cat-shaped taiyaki. Let's try. Okay, now we are going to enter in a Nezu shrine that is said to be one of the most beautiful temples of Tokyo in very local area and not so famous, so let's go to see. There is also a lot of red corridor like the Fushimi in Kyoto, so let's check it out. This year, in late April, beginning of May, is all pink because it's full of azalea, so it must be wonderful. Try to buy an omikuji, like fortune telling. Let's see if I'm lucky or not. Choose carefully. Good fortune! Wow! If it was bad luck, I need to tie there, so the bad luck not follow me home. But it's good luck, so I can keep. Incredible! Let's go! It's nice. You don't need to go to Kyoto, just discover more Tokyo. And now we are at the Yanaka Cemetery, one of the biggest cemetery in Tokyo. It's a very quiet place and also super popular because in springtime those are all cherry blossoms. So yeah, it's very nice. Take a walk here and relaxing space, and so different from the idea that we have of Tokyo, like crowded and lights and totally different place. So yeah, relaxing atmosphere. Thank you guys for enjoying me today. We visited the Yanasen area, so we visited the Nezu Shrine, the Yanaka Ginza, Yanaka Cemetery, and we discovered a lot of interesting places. So if you like the video, press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and to keep update on our new Hatago Experience video, hit the notification bell, and see you next time. Thank you!